Hi guys, so we're on this website.
Blinking.
Okay, so we're on the website Will You Press the Button.
I'll get him something really special in Petco. Let me cheer him up.
We get world peace, but China and Africa get destroyed. I'm not going to.
Oh, remotes.
Wow, that's pretty even.
Watching TVs get sharper, bigger.
Okay, you learn everything. You learn anything and everything that you possibly could. All lives questions are relieved to you, but you cannot in any way communicate with other people.
Record this. Voila. Remotes come out from the
Wow.
cushions. You are back. The X1 voice remote is here.
I'm not going to. Seriously? Okay. You're able to explain someone everything you want easily and make him think about it like you, but you can do it only once a day, and for the rest of the day whoever you talk to, he won't understand what you mean.
Are you talking to me? Oh, sorry.
The length of the tube determines the pitch of the instrument. He blows into the flute and checks the dial of the digital tuner. The key is a bit too low, so he cuts the end to take it up to G on the scale. Satisfied with the pitch, he drills 6 fingers. He spaces them in a precise configuration.
Probably not.
The size of the holes varies slightly to help create the desired notes.
Okay, so you are able to turn invisible, but whenever you are invisible and watching someone, they will be extremely uneasy and know someone is watching.
He tests the flute again.
That's not that bad. I think I'll press the button. Yeah, that's what I thought. You find the love of your life, but everyone wanted to.
Are you live chatting? Jonah?
He scrutinizes the newly sculpted mouthpiece and confirms that the shape is right.
I'm live chatting
He signs
YouTube.
the numbers with the
I'm live chatting YouTube.
Finally, he coats this Native American
like Jonah.
with protective acrylic.
Jonah. Oh no.
A centuries-old musical instrument
Oh, that's pretty even. You can make coffee only by looking at beans. That's okay. Tastes awful to you, but it's great to everyone else. I don't drink coffee, so I'm gonna press the button. Wow. Okay. Okay, so you can make time stop, but you can only say 10 words a day. No. Wow. You get to go in any anime you want and get any of them to be your friends. But you have to sacrifice your entire life as you know it to stay in them. No. Wow. You get to eat anything you want for the rest of your life without being out of shape, but you have to wake up at 5 a.m. every morning, walk outside nude, and stare at the sky for an hour regardless of weather conditions. No. Wow. Exactly 50%. So you have the ability to turn any strand of your hair into $20 bills, but your hair will never grow back after. Oh boy. I will not. Wow. You receive $1 million. You receive $1 million, not dollars, just dollar, each month for the rest of your life. But you can only listen to Coldplay for the rest of your life. Okay. You control the world in an office in space with the power to see anything going on Earth, but you may never leave your office ever again. Oh boy. Oh yeah. I won't. You can. Oh yeah. Oh dang. You'll get a relationship with the person who is closest among all humans to figure every ideal. You'll love each other for more than anything else. You both die at some point, different points between ages 35 and 55. No. Oh, that's even. You will have everything. Your life will be set. Any realistic dream you imagine will be happening. The earth will erupt from Yellowstone and you will die, casting you into a loop of 24 hours, ending with your death. No. Everything you've ever wanted is free for you, but you have to live a college dorm for the rest of your life. Maybe. Nah. Whoa. You can travel back and forth through time, but if you alter the past, future, no matter how small the change, it will have enormous effect on the present. Example, making a bet on past sports result zombie epidemic in the present. No. Oh, that's even. None of these are even. You would be extremely gorgeous, but you would be sterile. You can read everyone's thoughts, but they can read yours too. I don't really want them to invade my thoughts. That seems kind of weird. You can look in the future, but no one will believe you. Yeah, I'll take that, honestly. That doesn't really matter. You win $100,000, but you have to run 2,000 miles. Well, this comes down to, do I have to run 2,000 miles over time or all at once? I'm gonna guess that it's over time. So I'm gonna press the button. Wow. You can taste all food in the world, but you would be colorblind. No. You have super fast internet. You lose 10 years off of your life. No. I can live with slow internet. All people on the world convert to your religious beliefs or their lack of, but you learn that your beliefs were false. I will not. Half-Life 3 gets released, but it's an Xbox One exclusive. I'll take that. you get the winning lottery numbers before the drawing. But only because when you wake up with them tattooed on your face. I don't want a tattoo, so no. You get the car of your dreams. You have to sit and stare at it 6 months before you can drive it. Yeah, sure. Half-Life. What's up with Half-Life 3? I mean, come on. Valve would never make another single-player game. I can live with just multiplayer games, honestly. Oh, what? Come on, guys. You can live without single-player games. You can control the amount of DMT your brain produces. But every other time you produce more than the normal amount, you hear a baby crying loudly until you return to the normal state. I don't want to hear a baby crying, so no. Okay, guys, this is on the website. This is the willyoupressthebutton.com. So yeah, bye.